Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Satang Kendiat Sngi ban Penlongi ka 6 Meghalaya Games sa Juwai bat Iaid Lasaki baga Jingpynkhreh nakabenta ki jakai le kai ba pher kala Iaid Shakhmat hakaba don ki bala jandap bat dondu ki bala dem ki bor peniat jong West Janta Hills District bat kinong peniat kila pentikna ba baro ki jingdon kam bat ki Jingpynkhreh ka lempung ye le kai kila long ki bala Pynkhreh ba bat pentikna ba ka lempung kan long ka ba Iaid bet Iaid ranti ka Meghalaya Games ka bahan riu kan thop ye ki arpu khandai tili ki jat jinge le kai kaman sedang nado ka arpu trip ko lalingkot hadu ka arpu santrip ko lalingkot hakaba artli ki jinge le kai ken salong ha shalong kata ka jinge kop jinge kanong ha Crinoline swimming pool shalong padia ka jinge kop golf ha Assam Rifles golf halat kor ki weipat ki jat jinge le kai kilong ka jinge kop archery arm wrestling athletics badminton basketball boxing cycling football gymnastics judo karate do kho, Muay Thai, shooting, softball, sports climbing, table tennis, taekwondo, lawn tennis, volleyball, weightlifting, wrestling, wushu, traditional sports, rollball, yoga sana, bat ka lawn bowling, kinong ha ki jaka ba pher jong ka sor Juwai, Iaid bat Khlit Tersi jong ka West Janta Hills District. Barok kinong ye shimmentai kilong palat lahjar praspa khandai pu khandai ngut. Ka curtain racer nakabenta ka 6 Meghalaya Games kanong ha ka khatlai trip kalalingkot ha ka por Shibjin of High Sngi ha District Library Auditorium Minthong Juwai. Ha gani ka sngi indan nang do Menteri Ketenat Sports but Youth Affairs ka Sarkar Jilla ba Shakler Wadri baru MLA ka than ba Deiru Chairman ke MUDA Wailat Miki Shilla. Shwa kani kata ha ka shipho trip kalalingkot ka kinhon kinong mi khmat na ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ki Sports Association ba pher ba katanat tray kam sarkar ba pher ila panong ek review meeting ne ga jingalang bishar kam ha conference hall ka DC office.
We had a review meeting here in the DC's conference hall in July, and we had a review of specific committees. Number 1 was transport, number 2 was security, number 3 was reception and accreditation, number 4 is accommodation, and number 5 was media and IT. So we reviewed these 5 committees today, their progress, the preparation, and a number of these committees are, have gone very far ahead. 70%, 75, 80, in some cases almost 90% work is in progress, physical progress. And we are very, very happy with the progress of work, and we hope that there are a lot of other issues which have been flagged, and we are planning to get them resolved, and we are very hopeful and that we will be able to deliver again 6th successful Meghalaya Games. I don't have the entire details of the expenditure costs on the various things, but I think it will be around I don't have an exact figure, but I think it could hover around 30-35 crores, the total thing. The majority of the costing is on the facelift and many other things. For example, power, right? In some cases, I think there were some issues, and so the community is benefited. An upgraded transformer. Okay. MSCL is supporting, in that context. That costs money. Now you've done up a number of these buildings, accommodation, painting, the bunk beds, the fixing up the toilets, deploying bio toilets, hundreds of bio toilets, waste management, and a lot of infra which is being set up. So I think, I don't have the exact figure, I think we'll get an exact figure later, but for now I think it will be between 30 to 35 crores is the cost for this thing, and it is far less, it is reasonable in terms that we are already now increase the sports. We are going to have almost 26 disciplines, while in Pura we had 21, 22, 23 sports. Now we are having 26 sports, plus 4 demo sports, so 29 in total. So the costings is there because a lot of overlays, the infrastructure. We are also extremely grateful to government, which has provided equipments to those associations who need them. Equipments which has come to GTC, which are almost around 2.5 crores. Tentatively, that's the figure. Then the engineering wing is where the major cost is going, which is the doing up and the roads. There's so many roads, so many sidewalks, so many signages, all being prepared and done for the successful conduct of the Meghalaya Games. Masukuban ban putip fi bukan don ka curtain reserve mo kajing kalau kum kajing sedang kalau ke program ban mai phang ye kajing sedang mo ban pertai kajing sedang kata kan long haka khatlai terik January arjar arpsan haka por shibji hapo district auditorium hall hajua haka ba I menteri jungi ba Shakhmat wajiri I honorable minister of sports and youth affairs in long chief guest nangta I guest of honor pa in long I ma wailat Miki Shella the honorable MLA Juwai but long chairman juga buda in long ki guest of honor tekan don ke program haku porsi biji ba hot very people mo ni dalam tu atau orang kajing sedang kan itu kemar ke football kan sedang technically hak kat sound idon ki sports ki sedang although ka game kadai nadu arpo terik adu arpusan jan borok hikit sedang arpo adu arpusan ditang ke football ke sedang kam shwa nama ka jela ka juki kalong ka khampir no gol ki teams nadu borok kala atli district so nagamta kata kadang ke curtain reserve ke bandong hapo auditorium district auditorium hapo juan aku porshibje haka khatlai terik ngakwa rupan where ban kentu yo borok samla dengba kani kajing keren bakin wan pitkai ya kini ki arpun tuli ki jingle kai ki banlong ke sin dengkong mo haka level jong ka Meghalaya Games kan long ka district West Jaintia Hills district untuk kerpan ki samla jong kena school jong ni kita han borok away nada pikwa ban UI mo nomor borok kita ngitip tangi ko football nadi ngi ong ka wushu ndo batik ngi ong ka shooting dan bayu mo UI ka shooting UI bonjak ki jingle kan kaban wan sundon hang ni hakmat ying jupi apo joai ti kanong kay ka ngakwa man pentip penwer yapi yaki wahe snong borok baka ba kamdon kanu ko bayrung syakini ki jakale kai ka program kin sapha shabaro ki wahe snong ya kani ka program jongka wei pakawei ka discipline sama pentip kata ka sport kan long porsi baje ne kan long lai baje ne magidong sport kecil kai kan long janmi te ngakwa ban biak sa sin baka kamdan kanu ko bayrung syakini ki jakai le kan kalau free entry is free subject to availability of seats kalau dap ke jakai song te mo ta ti kentu kerpa di bro da penyemi baniwan ya amsim ya ki samla jong ke jelam khlia player ba hakmat ya ki kun ya ka kusnam banyo ka gold lani ka silver lani ka takma bronze di kani kan long ke sen kong ka kom kani ka jela kai ko he bukan long hari district but syusyur nyimpala ban poi syaka Jingpynkhreh kanu ka district bukan wan ban shim yang lama namar fin kemau hatura hadin kejia kran kejia tai ko juar ba makladon kejia pertana po big district reh bukut ya kani lama ban pelong ya ka next Meghalaya Games la shim de West Jaintia Hills district te como working president jong Meghalaya State Olympic Association ai kuble ya ka West Jaintia Hills district sports association bakla one Shakhmat la shim ni sinjam ban pelong ya gani but kumbakalong ta ni review ta sa tang sposi ni UI ke Jingpynkhreh ki kalong ka ba ship ram but kan no ko bachok